So before you can list your first item, you need to push your eBay into what's called a seller's account. So right now eBay thinks, oh, you just signed up because you want to buy stuff. Well, you have to tell eBay that you want to be a seller. So how do you do that? You go to eBay, go to your account settings, and then go to your seller dashboard, and you click on Start Selling here in the middle. Once you list an item, then eBay is going to be like, oh, she's a seller, okay? And then DSMTOOL will know that you will communicate with eBay, and eBay will know, okay? So I'm going to sell one like this, new without tags. And it might just be a bogus item that I list here just to push eBay into thinking I'm going to be a seller. So give it a title. It gives you a red right here. Basically, it's helping you with keywords for women lack Bible verse. Just give it some keywords. And then okay, so if you want to add pictures from computer, sometimes eBay doesn't even let you do anything that without a picture. So what you're going to do is you're going to basically hack a picture just for the sake of this first sale. And you can go here. Let's see if this will work. I'm not really sure. But let's see if we can get this picture. You're going to click on it. You're going to right click. Yeah, it's going to work. And do Save As. So you're going to come into your... I have a picture section, and you're going to put it into a folder basically. I'm just going to put it into my pictures folder, and then I'm going to go back to eBay. Where is it? Then I'm going to add it from computer, and go back in, and I'm going to find my picture. Okay, so when I showed up in my folder, it looked like this, and I couldn't find it. You scroll down here in the bottom, and you know there's a problem. You go to all files, and if it looks like this, there's a problem, because basically what that's telling you is that's a website URL. So if you click on it, it's not going to push into there. So what you have to do is find a different picture that is what you want to do, or what is similar to what you want to do. So sometimes even if you click on that, you can right click it and save it, or if you come down here, this is what you want to see. Save image as. So I'm going to click on that. Now what you see is a JPEG image, and I'm going to save it. Now I want to go to list it from my computer, going back to pictures, and there is the picture. So if you come over here, you see that it's an image file. So a JPEG is an image file. So I'm going to push that in there. Now what happens if it says your photo is too small? Then you have to go out and you got to find a bigger photo. Usually eBay likes photos that are 500 by 500. So the way you know you can tell that sometimes is if you go to the picture and you scroll over it and you right click on it, and it'll give you information. Otherwise you can go into here, go back to pictures. Wait, where are the pictures? And you scroll over it, and it'll give you the dimensions are 50 by 50. You see that down there? So I basically have to make that picture larger, or I have to find a larger picture. And your question is like, well, how do I do that? And I'm going to show you here. So one way you can do that is just go to Google. I just typed it in to save time, and then you're going to click on images. And you're going to see a lot of sale images. Just find something that's similar. Here's one. Now when you scroll over these, you can see the size of the image, and this size is something that eBay is going to like. Now again, this is just to get you started. So you're going to click on it, right click, and then save image as. It's going to push it into my pictures. I'm going to save it, and now this is a picture, so you X that one out. This is a picture size that eBay is going to like. See the difference in the size? That makes a difference when people are scrolling through, and there's not going to be a red X on it because it's a 500 by 500. So now you see that. Now we scroll down and we get the different, you know, variations and things that you have to plug in. And let's make it yellow just so it looks like something. And then once I list this, I'm just going to take it off, but it'll push it into a, you know, a seller account then. Just a classic pattern. Let's say, where's plain? Solid. All right, provided by email is a description. And you could change that and put be still t-shirt for Christian, yellow Bible verse, shipped with e-packet, just in case somebody orders in the next 2 minutes. Via China mail. Okay. I don't want a big description because I'm not starting it. You can do an auction. I'm not going to. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to buy it now. 11. That's fine. And just kind of scroll through and I'm going to list it. So now my eBay account is pushed into a seller account. Now you are ready to go onto something listed into the rapid lister or the bulk lister. Okay, I got an error. I go to the details. Oh, I didn't put the size in. I'll just put 40 in. But now you are ready to go. What's it doing? Now you're ready to go and go to DSMTOOL and list multiple items. You want to learn about the bulk lister and you're going to learn about the rapid lister.